And look at the interiors. Ibang level talaga sa mga.
Tama. Pag-best talaga eh.
Correct. And interiors is actually a part of the overall dining experience.
Yes, tama.
Sir,
Thank you very much. Gadi, just look at the interiors. Ibang level talaga sa mga.
At saka alam mo ba, nakasama pala siya sa list ng 2011 top restaurants in the Philippines.
Wow. And we're dining here right now.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
My mom. So, we'll be ordering the single steak.
Yeah. I'm just...
Single steak. May I suggest one, sir? This is a highly recommended for Chinoy TV. Dry aged USA prime rib, bone in rib steak.
Okay, so that's the bonus for Mamo.
Yes.
Okay,
So-
it's actually for Chinoy TV.
I'll take that. I'll order that.
How do you want it done, ma'am?
I want it medium rare.
How about you, sir?
I'll have this.
And it comes in two sidings. What sidings do you want?
I have the red steak rice and corn pudding.
And I'll have the pink spinach and pink mashed potatoes.
Will be all?
Yes.
Very good to order. You ordered one steak, understood by PSA prime rib steak, medium rare, comes in red steak rice and corn pudding. For dessert, dry aged bone in rib steak with red steak rice and steak.
Alright.
That's all?
Thank you very much.
Nakaka-excite. For in fairness, once you go into talaga yung mga proper steakhouse, they have talaga yung feel na you're gonna eat something that's really good and fancy.
And as I was saying, the interior is actually part of the overall dining experience. Sana, bilisan mo na, sir. Gutom na gutom na ako.
Hungry!
Hungry.
Known as one of the most popular steak haven in town, we found the next perfectly grilled slab of beef in Mamu at Surendra. 大家都知道，位于 Surendra 的 Mamu 是菲律宾出名的牛排馆之一。Their Angus ribeye made it the top 3 list and was simply a slab of delight, with its homey interior complementing their mouth-watering comfort food line of menu. 这家牛排馆会给人一种到家的感觉，再加上他们的菜单上美味可口的一系列选择。It is not a surprise that our Chinoy barkadas regard that as well.
Ito ang winner natin sa top 3 best steak in the menu.
Yes. Ito naman is Mamu specially prepared for Chinoy TV.
Wait guys, before you ask the question, kung ano difference nila, this one's dry aged, diba?
Correct.
Yun lang yung difference.
Let's squeeze, Kat.
Yes.
How's your steak?
It's really the best.
Awesome.
You're having the dry age and you're
Yes.
having a regular wet age steak.
Yes.
That's right.
I
And
think that you can try those Sundays. Those are
oh yes,
Yes, we will be. But first,
we'll be awarding you a certificate
okay, that's nice.
for Mamu
So
and
much.
a spot in the top 3 best steaks in town.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
To all our Chinoy patrons who voted for Mamu as one of the best steaks, Cheshe. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you here at Mamu Surendra and also at our new branch at Mamu Rockwell. Enjoy our steaks. Eat at my Mamu.
Wow.
that was super.
Yes. It was such a dining experience.
看起来我们今天这一趟牛排之旅，还真是让你想进口服啊！
那是当然了，我到现在还在想，什么时候能回到我们今天介绍过的2间牛排？
我就说嘛，我看着我们观众朋友们肯定都肚子饿了吧？
Yes, so Chinoy Barkada, our next Chinoy Charts question is coming up soon on our official Facebook page. So be sure to check back regularly to vote.
So stay tuned now for more fun only on
Chinoy TV 飞马电视台。
So Jason, sumakit ba yung katawan mo after your jiu-jitsu? 练完柔道，身体有没有全身酸痛？
Hindi naman. Pero ang saya ng experience kasi natuto na naman ako ng bagong martial art. Tsaka
Yes,
self-defense.
so self-defense. Pwede mo na kayo
Magaling.
magsasabi.
So next time paglabas natin si Jason ng
Yung front
bodyguard.
man.
Bodyguard.
The front man.
我告诉你们，那些牛排真的很好吃。Nagutom ako bigla eh.
At syempre pagkain na naman.
Oo, pagkain talaga.
Of course, we would like to thank Highland Steakhouse and Mamu for that.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much. And for Henry Jefferson, galing mo talaga. 真的是无话可说，太厉害了。So guys, if you like our Chinoy Speak for today, you can just like our Facebook page and download it for free.
Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Chinoy TV, for more behind-the-scenes updates and pictures of our upcoming episodes.
And follow Jason Kyung, Johnny the Pinkfish, and Willard.
And for the people who made this episode as great as it is, Miss Sheila and Miss Ellen of Fairy Tale Wedding Photography for our wonderful venue today.
Maraming salamat po sa
Thank you
inyo.
po.
And for our personal sponsors, I'd like to say thank you to Frigo. Thank you. And Converse Shoes. Maraming salamat po. Ay, ito pa. Contact lens ko. I forgot. Thank
Forgot
you.
your eyes.
Fresh Look Color Blends and Gems Optical. Thank you so much.
Yes, I would like to thank Bambi Ong for my hair and makeup today, and the Dental Mom.
Yeah,
thank you so much for a wonderful smile.
So for everyone who enjoy our show for today, kindly tune in again next week for another slice of the Chinoy Live. 希望呢大家能够继续的收看我们的节目，保证下个星期以及我们今后所有的节目会越来越好看，越来越精彩。
That's why tune in again next week on here on
Chinoy TV 飞华电视台，拜拜。
Bye.
We're Halftech United and Sheta Jiu-Jitsu, and you're watching
Chinoy TV 飞华电视台 on Net 25 dito na ako.
Hi, I'm Henry Jefferson Morco from Chiang Kai-shek College, and you're watching Chinoy TV 飞华电视台 on Net 25 dito na ako.